Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday, everybody. Made it another week. Another trip. Well, I guess 7 trips around the sun. But I don't know where I was going with that. Anyway, let's do a Fired Up Friday. But first, as always, channel shout out. Let's get to it. Alright, it is drawing time. Getting very low on names. See that? Can we get one to come out? Oh. So we get 2 coming out. Ah, screw it. Oh. SubArcticWolf and Outdoors. SubArcticWolf and Outdoors and Tools. I'm probably saying that wrong. Sorry, Ken, my brother. And Backyard Custom Knives. I haven't seen a video from Eddie in a long time. I don't know. I hope he's okay. I should send him an email. So I guess we get a double shout out this week. It only leaves me with 2 names. Well, oh, what am I doing? I'll put them back in. Kind of wondering who the last 2 will be. Alright, I just realized I didn't record a sticker, so I had to come all the way up to the top because he was one of my first of the group. So Backyard Custom Knives, right here next to Kalen Strain, James G Outdoors, James G Outdoors again, Kevin's Adventures, Allie Carroll, Backpack with Buckley, Carolina Chris Outdoors, M.I. Woodsman, Hike with Mike, Bushcraft and Baseball, Open Air Fish Market, Fab Creations, this guy, this Joker, Joseph Russell, Adventure Roads, Muskrat Jim, Chris's Variety Channel, The Legend, Ron T. Sawyer, Shalicia Shell, Black and White Firestarter, Dominic Manischetti, Plain Old Chuck, Michael Bruner, Allie Carroll again, Redneck Renegade, Plain Old Chuck once again. That's a bunch of cool people. Brothers and sisters. Alrighty, so what we're going to be burning is the Black and White Wood and Tinder blend. Found this in a box, excuse me for that. And I said, oh crap, how come I haven't been burning this? So, well, Fired Up Friday, as good a time as any. Get this sucker open. I've actually got several Black and White fire starter products that I need to get on video, and I haven't done it yet because, well, I don't really have any excuse that anybody would buy, and rightfully so, because it's a weak-ass excuse. Got the Dominator out here. Let's see if we can do a 1 and done. Nope. 2 and done. That one, first shot was kind of a weak one, though. Dang-gum, I had a 6-minute burn time on this. It's crazy. It's still on fire too. That's pretty awesome. I only used half that package. But that doesn't speak for quality of product. I don't know what will. It's pretty badass. just a little stir and it's back on fire again. Color me impressed. I think she's finally gotten out. Now I gotta douse it with water because I'm just at the park and it's a sunny day, so I don't want to risk leaving an ember behind. So yeah, pretty impressive burn on that product. Something I should start using more often. Damn itself, use the stuff more. Anyway, don't forget to check out this week's channel shout out. The link will be in the description. I honestly haven't drawn their name yet, so normally I'd be saying, hey, check out this person, but I jumped the gun a little bit. Oh, squirrel's back. I'm in his territory. Sorry, buddy, I didn't bring any nuts. I had some peanuts at home too I could have brought. But then I hear it's bad to feed the wildlife, so. Well, anyway, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits to our veterans, even the non-combatives who are an important role of support personnel. They're not to be forgotten either. So let's not forget as well, 22 a day no more. Suicide hotline will be in the description, as well as the Mission 22 website. And with that, have a great Friday, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.